Hi, in this video, we're going to see how you can enable or disable autoplay videos and live photos in Photos tab on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to swipe down and tap on Photos. In Photos, you want to tap on Autoplay Videos and Live Photo Switch to turn on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now let's take a look how this feature works. So I'm going to open up Photos, and then I'm going to open up a video. Now you can see it's not autoplay at the moment because I have switched it off. So if I switch it on, and if I go back in here and if I tap on the video, it will automatically start playing. Down here you can now turn on the speaker to hear the audio or not. And that's it. So that is how the autoplay videos and live photos work in Photos app. Thank you for watching this video.